Good morning, kids. I'm Mohana Ravi, your computer teacher. Today we are going to see our third lesson book back exercises. Okay, today we are going to see our third lesson book back exercises. Hope you all are well and fine, safe at home. Okay, don't come out. If you're coming out, wear your mask. Wear your mask and come out. Try to avoid coming out. Okay. As I said, today we are going to see our third lesson book back exercises. Okay. First one is rearrange the jumble words. Rearrange the jumble words. Okay. First one is window. Okay. Window. 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 Okay. WINDOW. Window. I think you all are repeating with me. WINDOW. Window. Okay. Then the second one is desktop. Okay. Desktop. 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 Okay. DESKTOP. Desktop. Then the third one is program. 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 Then the fourth one is taskbar. Okay. TASKBAR. 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 Then the last one is scroll bar. SCROLLBAR. Scroll bar. SCROLLBAR. Scroll bar. Okay. Here I want to show you something. See here the words will be like this. Okay, what you have to do is you should cut the words into half. Okay, like this. See, this WIN you bring here in the front. This WIN you bring here in the front. Then automatically you will get the answer, that is windows. Okay, that is you will automatically get the answer window. Okay. Then the second one is, see here, this four letters DESK, these four letters you bring it to front. Okay, you bring it to front, then automatically this will become desktop. Okay, you can see here this is desktop. Okay, then the same way you can see here this PRO. Okay, PRO, you bring this here in front, then this will become program. This would become program. Now you can see the answer, which is program. Okay, then taskbar, you see here this TASK, task should come front, then it will become taskbar. Okay, then this will become taskbar. You can see here this is taskbar. Okay, then see here the fifth one is scroll bar. You bring the scroll in front. Okay, scroll word to bring, then this will become scroll bar. Okay, you see here scroll bar. Okay, scroll bar. Okay, I think you would have understood how to write all this. Okay, how to write the jumble words. Okay, you split the sentences into half. You split the sentences into half, bring the last half to the front half. Okay, okay, last 2-3 letters or 4 letters it should be. Okay, that those letters should come in front. That's it. Then automatically your answers will be coming in front of you. Okay, hope you all would have understood. Then this is true or false. Okay, true or false. Taskbar is found at the center of the desktop. Okay, taskbar is found at the center of the desktop. Okay, is it true or false? No, it is false, because it is found at the bottom. first screen of the window is called desktop. Is it true or false? Yes, it is true. Every program window consists of icon. Every program window consists of icons. Is it true or false? Yes, it is true. Title bar displays name of the program. Title bar gives you the information of the name of the program. That is true. First button on the title bar is close button. First button on the title bar is close button. Is it true or false? It is false. Okay. Yes, it is false. Okay. Then these are the next slides. Who am I? Okay. Who am I? You have to find who am I. Who am I? Just see the screen. Just see the screen. Okay. I am the first screen. What is the first screen is called? Okay, what is the first screen is called? I have icon and taskbar. These are called desktop. Okay, the first screen appears on the computer is called the desktop. Okay, where you will find icons and taskbars. Okay, then the second one, see the picture how it is. I have title bar, menu bar, scroll bar and status bar. All the bars are available. Then what it is? It is a program window. It is a program window. Then you see here, I can increase or decrease the volume. Okay, on your speaker. Then what it is? It is volume control. Okay, this is volume control. Then you see the picture. I help you to move left or right across. I help you to left or right move across the window. Then who am I? Scroll bar. Okay, not only from left to right, up to down also it will help you to move. Okay, up to down also it will help you to move. That is scroll bar. Okay, then you see the fifth one, file, edit, view, image, colors, help. You see, I consist of various menus and sub menus. What it is? That is menu bar. Okay, yes, it is true. No, if you click on file, again there will be an option called new. Again there will be an option called open. So many options will be there. So it will give you this will give you many options. Okay, so these are called menu bar. Okay, these are called menu bars. Okay, then see here, these are all the fill up the dashes. Okay, one by one we will do. The first one, Windows environment allows you to work by clicking on commands. Okay, Windows environment allows you to work by clicking on the commands. Okay, then the second one, the first screen of Windows is called as desktop. The first screen of Windows is called as desktop. Okay, then the third one, the small pictures on the desktop are called icons. The small pictures on the desktop are called icons. Each icon on the desktop represents a program. Each icon on the desktop represents a program. Okay, then the fifth one, system clock displays the system time. Okay, system clock shows you the system time. Okay, then the sixth one, volume control is used to increase or decrease volume, decrease volume of the speaker. Okay, but the speaker volume can be increased or decreased by this volume control. Okay, then program window is also called as application window. Okay, the program window is also called as application window. Okay, there are 3 buttons on the title bar. The title bar has 3 buttons. Okay, the close button closes the program window. Okay, the close button, as soon as you click on the close button, the program window would be closed. Okay, then the final one, minimize button brings down the program window to taskbar. Minimize button brings down the program window to taskbar. Okay, now we have to identify what are all the picture represents. Okay, see the cross. Okay, then what is this? This is a close button, close, close. Okay, close button. Okay, then see, this is system tray. Okay, system tray, SYSTEMTRAY, system tray. Then this is minimize button, MINIMIZE, minimize button. Then maximize button, this is maximize, MAXIMIZE, these are maximize button. As soon as you click, the window would be maximized. Okay, then this is restore. Okay, restore button. Okay, the desired shape it will come. Okay, to the desired shape it will come. This is restore button. Okay, then this paint, this is paint button. Okay, this is paint, and this is what is, this is title bar. Okay, where the name of the file would be appearing, so it is title bar. Okay, then see here, this is system tray, system tray. Okay, these are system tray. Okay, then see here, this is status bar, status bar. Okay, in the bottom of the program window. Okay, in the bottom of the program window, where the help option would be available. Okay, where the help option would be available, called as status bar. Okay, this is called as status bar. Then see here, this is task bar. Okay, the entire thing is called as task bar. Okay, only in the right side where the clock appears, that is system clock, and before that system tray, the entire bar is called as task bar. Okay, okay, now that's all. We have come to the end of the session. Okay, copy it everything from the video, everything to your textbook. Okay, and in your classwork, okay, in your classwork you write only the dictation words. Okay, write only the dictation words in your classwork. No need to write other things and all. Okay, just write the dictation word. These are the dictations words. See here, rearrange the jumble words I taught you. No, from this only the answer part you write as a spelling words into your classwork. Okay, put your name, put the lesson name, and put the date, and put the Roman letter 1. Okay, then you write, give the title dictation words, and write these words. Okay, put 1 2 3 4 5 and write these words. First one is window, second one is desktop, third one is program, fourth one is taskbar, then the fifth one is scroll bar. Okay, so these are has to be written in your classwork. Okay, rest all everything you have to write only in your textbook. Okay, write only in your textbook, not in the classwork. Okay, okay kids, now I think we have to leave now. Okay, we'll meet in the next class. Okay, bye.